Okay, so we're rigging up a live mullet to use in running water. So 12-inch live mullet, and we select a hook size for the mullet size. So I'm going to be using two 10-0s for at least a 12-inch mullet. So we use a 2-hook snood rig. Use your leader. I'm using 60 pound today, but off the rock wall you'd mostly go up to about 100 pound leader, about 1 metre long. Trim off the tag end. Now, in a running current you have pin the hook mullet up the front, so you have your snood rig at about yay distance. Go around about 7 or 8 times. You pin your mullet through the nose, like so. Then shank your hook. It's taper facing upwards so it doesn't go back into your bait. Make sure we have no scales. And that's for a running current.